What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So as per what I saw from the previous videos, that I take a lot of time talking, so let us get to action today. So what I'm planning for this week, actually this week is a week of learning risk management, because I've refined my strategy to start trading simple strategy, then focus more on the risk management and trading psychology side, rather than sticking on trading very hard strategy that I waste my time analyzing the market than managing my trades. So we're trading very simple strategy. So this week, as I told you last time, I was supposed to start FTMO, but those who have noticed, FTMO portal is very down. Actually, FTMO dashboard is very down, so even accessing the free trial is kind of hard. But I took a free trial for Funding Next yesterday, made 1% of it with US30. There is a strategy that I've been trading with Funding Next free trial. I will pass when I use the strategy, but when I try other strategies, I will always fail. But the problem with the strategy is more of a 1 minute, so it's kind of fast as compared to this one. This one gives me more time to think, but this one gives me less time to think. That is why I don't like it. Either way, I'm still going to refine it to get it. Next month I'll be turning 19, and I had a plan that from 17, 18, 19 learn how to trade, then by 20 we have to understand how to now by 20 now we are kind of profitable, so that we can now get the journey 2021, 22, and so on and so forth. Because this thing takes time, but I want to give it something like 5-10 years, feel me? So this week is to try refine risk management and so on and so forth. And let me tell you, you'll be watching this video one time later, and you'll be telling me that at one time you're just saying that one day you'll be profitable. You will see it. I must be profitable at the end of the day. So get to the video, guys. Let us get the charts. Let us roll it. See you. There we go. Yeah. There's the outfit. Drip check. Yeah. Let's get the money, guys. Let's get the money, guys. simplest, like simple stuff, so that instead of wasting my time analyzing and taking trades. Most of you know you analyze only to fail, but if you keep your time to the right things, risk management, trade management, then I think that is the only thing. So I decided that, you know what, simple analysis with, okay, I do have price action mindset, but I'll be applying that on a weekend so that I have a weekly bias. So not that I'm very ignorant, but when analyzing, when looking for a trade, as simple as that, nothing else. I don't want to overcomplicate things, like simple stuff. I hope you understand me. Either way, also if you are looking for someone to edit your videos, or you know someone who is looking for video editing person, my email is on the description below, link, and also my Telegram personal chat is also on the description. You can also join the Telegram group. Very simple, like I don't post signals, I just post trade ideas, what I'm looking, what I'm seeing, because signals are just for losers. I know I have made other people feel kind of bad, but signals is for losers. But just join the Telegram group and let's continue going together. Yeah, so when I spoke about having a very simple strategy, then I meant it simple. Now, if you can look at my time frames, I only have 2 time frames, 1 hour and the 5 minutes. The main reason even I have the 1 hour is because I do like the higher time frame trends. You can see, for example, we are currently on a downtrend on the 1 hour, so I expect myself to be kind of selling, even though we were strike here, but I saw the same thing on, you see, forming a lower high. So I took the 5 minutes entry, break of trend, just that, nothing else. Break of trend, caught this trade in the morning. You can see I put a screenshot, caught this trade in the morning, but I also tried to catch this. It was a SPX 500 trade. Also saw it on this one. Someone might ask, why am I trading very many pairs? You can see this one pushed very far. I knew why it pushed, because it came back to the down of the trend. And let me show you something. One thing I've noticed, when the trend is like this, like this, is like this, is like this, then we kind of break the trend. If we break the trend, we're going to move down till the bottom of the trend. And if on the 1 hour time frame we are, for example, bearish, we might continue down. But my main point is to just catch until this end of the trend. So if I don't have a risk to reward of 1:2.5 and above, then I'm not interested in that trend, and that is why I didn't take for US5. You can see, let me put it, for US30 it was a 1:2.84, a very nice trade, so I took it. But for SPX 500, not a good one, because as you can remember, as what I've said, I was to catch till the end of this trend. But look at here, the end of the trend, we would have been wicked out at the end of the trend. Here it was, if I decided to put it, it would have been a 1:3. Now this trade I would have been cancelled, because I'm catching until the end of the trend. The same thing happened here. You can see the market came 1, 2, 3, broke. After breaking it, came back to the bottom of the trend, then I started pushing upwards. You feel me? Like that is the simplest. Now, so I kind of have an issue to talk about, and this is the issue that if you have not faced it, then I don't think that you have evolved in trading. Most of us, what we go to search is more about strategy rather than understanding what that strategy was formed. Like, for example, I was planning to start trading how do you call it, SMC, but unfortunately I stopped it, because even if I'm transitioning to SMC, the thing is, the same thing is still going to happen. What the problem is not that price action is bad, but the fact that we have not understood price action. What we have understood is strategies for people whom price action, so they kind of understand why they removed every other thing so as to create that. Let me now confess, like I was trading Jeffrey Benson's strategy, like a complete copy. But the funny thing is, I was trading a strategy, not what he teaches, maybe on his mentorship, because there was a day where he was telling people to sell, but when I'm looking at the market, he's telling me to buy. Then the next day they post buy, but I'm looking at the market is selling. So they kind of, we're trading the same strategy, but not the same look. So I was caught up. And the funny thing is, whatever they said kind of happened, and I'm trading the strategy. So I come to kind of realize that, you know, maybe this strategy, and I was very happy because I won't lie, I've been trading this strategy for some time. It's a longer trading strategy. One thing, it doesn't fit me because of the fact that I have a shorter attention span, because you are mostly advised to monitor your trades so that you can know when to cut risk or when to let profits run, and so on and so forth. But now, because I'm opening the trade from the 15 minutes, but remember, I'm looking at it from the 4-hour perspective, meaning we are getting the move from the 4-hour, then we're opening it at the 15 minutes. So it is more of, you know, I don't understand what is happening, or even if I understand it, I can get the bias correct, but I won't hold till the bias is correct. Hope you understand me, because most of the trades will run up to 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and it is overwhelming. So one thing I'll advise, if you're trading a certain strategy, if you want to start trading ICT, go learn ICT concept. Don't go start learning ICT from some smaller trader somewhere. Go start go to ICT's channel, look at his playlist, everything, then sort out information to what you understand. If you want to trade price action, don't go to learn price action from a mentor, or you can go learn price action from a mentor, because he will be giving you like whatever you understood. But if you're learning everything by yourself, for example, price action, read as much as possible. Become the person that is information. You like overload yourself with information so that you can now get the information and start learning it in a way that now you do understand that, yeah, this is what works for me, this is what fits my description, and this is what does not. Because if we now start getting strategies from YouTube, then we apply on our charts, we're getting kind of confused. The strategies are not us. My friend, maybe you are just the trader that is supposed to hold trades for a short period. For example, I came to understand that I can trade for maximum of 2 hours, and not just trading for 2 hours, but having my concentration for maximum of 2 hours. Past 2 hours, I'm just, you understand? Now I'm tired, because even yesterday I had an headache after looking at the trades going up, going down, going up, going down, until I found myself changing my candlestick colors, which is funny. So go and start understanding yourself. Don't trade the strategies according to someone. Don't go and, you know, someone tells you that this is what works. Make sure it works for you. So don't strategy hope. Go learn concepts. Then after learning the concept, cut it down to fit your description. Because if you don't do that, you trade 2 years, 3 years, then after these 3 years, then you come to understand that I've been wasting 3 years only following what a certain person is saying. I'm only looking at what Jeffrey Benson is saying. I'm only looking at what Kojo is saying. Then you come and say that these people are scammers because their strategies do work, what they teach, but it's not working. But in real sense, it is the strategy that doesn't fit you. It is more of the physical, psychological side, rather than the trading side of it, like the strategy side. So this is the only thing that I'll get. Stop trading people's strategy. Go build the strategy, because I'm sure if you can get a strategy that you have built, then that thing is you. Like that thing is a replica of you. Let us stop being lazy, that we just sit down. Just go and understand. if you decide that you want to start trading ICT, if you decide you want to trade price action. Now, someone might ask me now, how do you identify that you want to learn ICT, and how do you identify that you now want to learn price action? The thing is, I started trading with price action, and if I start learning ICT, I've seen that ICT traders take up to 6 months to understand the concept. Then they now add a certain months to understand. The thing is, I want to add myself 1 year to understand what I'm learning, not to start adding 1 year so that I can start again. I don't want to waste time. So if you are already learning ICT and you already understand ICT, then go for it. Go understand the concept. Do not become the person that is as lazy as possible. That way, let's see at the top. Let me cut it here, because that is the only thing that I had in mind. So see you guys in the next trading day. Peace.